Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team. How are you doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to download status from WhatsApp. So let's go to the WhatsApp first. Go to status. You can see all of your friends' status here. If you want to download this one, then you cannot download from here. You have to go to Play Store first. Then right here, download WhatsApp status. Then download this one, status server. The second one, download status server, download status. This one, install it in your device. After install, it will scan for a second. Hold on. Installation successful. Now go to this app. Allow permission. Allow again. Now you can see your friend status here. If you download the video status, then go to video. And then click on the video. If you want to download this video in your device, then click save. After saving this, if you want to see if the video downloaded or not, check it. Videos. See this video downloaded from here. Alright, this is how you can download WhatsApp status. Okay, if you find this video helpful, then please give the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching the video.